Hello everyone, in this video you'll see how you can use the SDK Magic Tool to prepare and export the project codes from Excel to Primavera. This will be the video number 13 in this group of videos, and we will use SQLite database with this video. You can also use SQL Server or Oracle database when you select any of them. From the main menu, select Dictionary, and from the sub-menu, select the project codes to import the current project codes in this database. As you see, we have no project codes in this database. When we go to Primavera to check these results, from Enterprise, open the project codes. We have no project codes in this database. We will prepare some of them and export these results to Primavera. You can start to prepare these project codes from scratch in this table, and you can also import these project codes from another database and export them to your new database. Let us, to save time, import some of these project codes from another database. Let us select this database, for example, and import its project codes. As you see, we have more than 190 project codes in this database. All we need to export these project codes to our new database to remove these numbers, because these numbers are in the current database, and these numbers will be set by the SDK Magic Tool in the new database. Now we are ready to export these project codes to Primavera. If you will prepare this table from scratch, there are some simple rules. You will start with the first project code in the third row, and then all of its values. After you finish with these values, leave one row blank, and then start with the second project code with all of its values, and then leave another row blank, and then start with the next project code, and so on until you finish with all of your project codes. In this column, you will set the maximum length of the characters of any of these values, and in this column you will set the order that will be used by Primavera to display these values. You can change this number to change the order of display. Let us export these project codes to Primavera. Don't forget to change to your new database. This is our new database. Okay. Now use this option from the export menu, project codes, and export. It's very fast to export data from Excel to Primavera. Let us import these project codes again. We have the same numbers of the project codes, and let us check these results in Primavera. First, refresh data, and then from Enterprise, open the project codes. As you see, we have now all of these project codes, the same project codes with their values that we have exported from Excel. It's flexible, fast, and accurate when you use the SDK Magic Tool. You can modify any of these names. You can add another values and send these modifications to Primavera. When you intend to delete any of these values, if you change this N to Y, this project code with all of its values will be removed. When you intend to remove only one value, for example, if I would like to remove this value, I will change only this N to 1. Let us, for example, remove this project code in order to see how much it's flexible when you use the SDK Magic Tool. We will export this to Primavera. We will remove this business process, and the project codes will start with business segment. Okay. We will get warning message. Okay, remove. The modifications have been done. Okay, let us import the new results. As you see, the project code starts with the second one, and the first project code has been deleted with all of its values. For example, let us remove all of these project code values, and we will keep only one in order to learn how you can use the SDK Magic Tool. Let us export these new updates. Okay, import the new results. As you see, you have now only one value under this project code, and so on. It's very fast, accurate and flexible when you use the SDK Magic Tool with any of the export items. Thank you and goodbye.